This is me at 1K subscribers, you guys. Woo! Look at me. I will go watch all my videos. Watch all my videos. Mama, I made it. I'm on TV. Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I look so different, oh my god. But thank you so much guys for your continued support. We are almost at 1K subscribers. Hey, I'm so happy, you guys. So I know I look so different because can you imagine? I just relaxed my hair after, like, when was the last time I ever did this? I think so 6 years ago when I was in campus. Yeah, I can't believe I've done it again. You know, I was telling my friend, nowadays I'm so random. Like, I just think about something and then pop, I do it. Like, I've just been having this feeling since Sunday because I'd blow dried my hair on Sunday. So I blow dried my hair on Sunday and I just got this feeling like I need to relax this hair, and here I am today. I've done it. I feel so different, you know. Let's see, I'm going to be on this journey for how long? Yeah, so guys, by the way, we are just like 10 people shy to 1K subscribers. Like, I can't believe it. Like, after 8 months it's finally happening. I'm so happy, by the way. So the other thing that we need to get is the watch hours. Please watch my videos, watch my videos, repeat them, watch them again and again so that I can get those watch hours. I need to get this money, you guys. Hey, see, I've waited for this money. Support your girls, support me. Yeah, thank you guys.
You'll ever find out that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face. Visit Paris or Broadway and chill out on Sundays. It won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face.
guys, I normally have 3 frames over here. You can see we normally have a frame over here, but it fell down. So I went to House of Leather and I got the double-sided tape. That's what I've used actually on this other two. But the one I got, it keeps falling down. I would recommend what else can I use, because I don't know. It's the same double-sided tape that I had used before, so that I can put back my frame over here. It's looking so bad. I keep putting it up and then it falls down. I don't know whether I need to clear off all this so that I can put it back again. Comment down below, suggest on what else I can use apart from the double-sided tape, or where I can get something stronger, because it keeps falling down. Then you see, like, it's so funny because you see, like this one, I used the same double-sided tape and it's still very intact. Also this one, I've used the double-sided and it's very intact. But when we come here, I don't know why it keeps falling down. Actually, even the frame, it broke kidogo. So I'm hoping to get something that will put it intact there for long. I don't want it to fall it down again. And it's the one that says pray. Yeah, you know, in this house we pray. Yeah, so I need it up again. So comment down below, suggest what I can use for this. Yeah, just here also watching another YouTuber. She's called Judy Njogu. Yeah, I know her from back in the days when she used to sell vehicles on Ngong Road. Yeah, so like I'm just so happy for her. Like at her age, started a YouTube channel. You know, at least it gives me hope. Like you can start at any time. Like you don't have to think that YouTube is just for the youngsters or something. Yeah, so.
And she said, the only thing I got, or rather what I really wanted to get, is make your first 100 horrible videos. Why I'm saying this is because I'm not sure what I really want to do with my channel, because I have so much. I want to travel so much, and I want to do that, but it's expensive. I want to do cooking videos, but I can't do that all the time because I have another job. I want to do about my job, but I'm employed, so there's so much that I can put in there. There's a bit of this. I love making my house. Sometimes I help out people in like choosing what to do in their houses and upgrade their houses. If they're renting out, if they're doing rental properties and they want to get as furnished, I help a lot. But I've not been able to figure out my niche yet. So I'm picking one.
Actually, you guys, we hit 1K subscribers yesterday. Like, I don't believe it. It's been so long coming. Like, can you imagine? I started this YouTube channel on March 2021, and today is on we are currently on which month are we on? Oh, it's in January. We are in January 2022, and that's when yesterday, the 27th, we hit 1,000 subscribers. I still don't believe it. Yeah, I keep telling you guys, YouTube is not for the faint-hearted. Yeah, but I'm happy for the milestone so far. So the next way you can support me is by keep watching my videos. Yeah, let me muko free unacha my videos to run, please guys, so that I can get the watch hours. Yeah, let me start eating that money hata mimi. Yeah. Look at this. This is me at 1K subscribers, you guys. Woo! Look at me. I will go watch all my videos. Watch all my videos. Mama, I made it. I'm on TV. Watch out for my next video, guys. I'll keep saying thank you for being part of this family, for joining me on this journey. Yeah, I feel so nice to do something and at least achieve the goals. Yeah, you know. So until the next one, guys, bye.